This video will show how to install the DEVIreg Room thermostat with different frame mounting system using adapters. For the frame mountings and the different adapters that follows the DEVIreg Room, then we have different options. For instance, we have different frames here, just some of the frames that we fit. Of course, the DEVIreg Room as a basis, and also of course the DEVIreg Basic, is thought as a unit like this. That means that it fits into all standard 55 by 55 frames with R2.5 rounding. But in case we do have a different frame mounting system, that means that we can, of course, with the adapters provided in the set, together with the DEVIreg Room, adapt into different frames. That means, for instance, here, now we fit nicely and snugly into this frame. So that means now to mount this, we would set this into the power supply, and hey presto, we are up and running. That would also mean if we wanted to go into, for instance, this frame, we would need an adapter, and then we would fit with the other. So doing that would require us to dismount the device once again, disconnect the device. There's a quick seal off here on the bottom, or a quick snap off here on the bottom, and on the top, quite easily dismounted, as you can see here. Then mounting the other dial onto the device and mounting this into the frame and pressing it into contact like so.